Hey, Erin Kendall here with Personal Trainer Marketing Strategy. Thank you so much for joining me. Before we begin, don't forget to hit that red subscribe button so you don't miss any of the future training videos on how you are going to be able to set up and really rock your personal training business, whether it's in person or online. So I am giving you some super tactical tools and strategies to help you get started by organizing your personal training business. So if you are a new personal trainer, this is right up your alley, all right? So you may be wondering, how I get clients, which there's lots of videos I have on that. But you also may be wondering, what do I do when I get these clients? How do I collect money from them? How do I know where I'm keeping their goals? How do I organize the back end of my business? How do I know how much money I'm making, how much money I'm spending, and all of that kind of thing? So there are definitely tools out there that you can pay for, like Small Business QuickBooks, Gusto, 17 Hats. There's all different kinds of tools out there that you can pay for. But if you are a brand new personal trainer just getting started and you want to know how you can set up the back end of your business utilizing free tools, I'm going to share those with you today. So the first one that I'm going to share with you is probably the most important one, and that is how you're going to get paid. So I utilize Square, and I don't even keep one of those little handy squares with me. I do all of mine on my desktop. So all of my invoicing is on my desktop, and I'm going to send you or share with you a referral link. So check down below on a referral link so that you can get your first couple months of personal training invoicing without having to pay those extra fees. But this is a great tool that's free, that you don't have to pay a monthly subscription for or anything like that, but they do collect a commission just like every credit card processor out there. Okay, but if you use my affiliate link, you get a certain amount of transactions without having to pay that transaction fee. Okay, so you can organize all of your clients in Square, you can invoice them, you can set up all the different categories, whether you're doing one-on-one personal training or group personal training or recurring charges. So if you are doing, say, a group fitness class, or you are doing some kind of promotion where they pay for 3 months, but they're splitting it up over the next 3 months, and you want to set up a recurring payment so they get an automatic invoice every month, you can do that in Square as well. The next tool that I love to use is Trello. And Trello is so amazing because you can tailor it to whatever you want it to look like. And you can actually share your Trello board with your client. And I'll share a simple template for you for that as well. So go ahead and click that link down below if you want to get the template for the Trello board. And this will allow you to organize goals, track progress for your clients, and put it into whatever categories you want that makes sense for your client. You can share it with them, and you can even ask them to put in some of their own activities, and you can both be updating the same Trello board utilizing the same platform. So it's a great way to stay in touch with your client outside of those one-on-one sessions that you're doing, or group sessions, whatever it might be. The third and super simple way to help you organize your income and your spending is not only grabbing that information from Square. So if you're invoicing, you can even put cash payments into Square if you want to track it really well. And then just pop those numbers into a Google Sheets or a Google Excel spreadsheet. And those spreadsheets, you can set up formulas to track month over month how much money you're spending, how much money you're bringing in. And if you talk with an accountant, they can help you categorize your spending. So if you're spending on marketing or travel or continuing education and that sort of thing. So the spreadsheet is going to help you track how much money you're making and how much money you are spending. Okay, so those are the 3 tools that you'll need to help you get started in your personal training business to track your invoicing, to track your client's progress, and to track how much money you're making and how much money you're spending on your business. All right, so 3 super simple ways to help you get started for free that don't cost you any extra money, and you can be totally off to the races. All right, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. If you have any questions about any of these tools, please feel free to put that down below in the comments, and I'll be sure to get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for joining me, and I'll see you right back here next week.